We're out doing some fishing for a super quick overnighter. Stick around for this week's outdoor adventure. Hi, my name is Dan and welcome to DC Outdoors. If this is your first time here and you like outdoor adventure videos, gear reviews, and other outdoor related stuff, well, please get started by hitting the like, the subscribe, and the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. Well, let's get on with this week's adventure. We are out for a quick little overnighter. It's May 31st, 2024, here with the boys, Snacksquad and I. We are out just camping here for just tonight. We're going to do some fishing. We're going to hang out at our seasonal campsite at the lake lot, cook up some good food. I think we're going to do some venison steak bites, so you'll want to stick around for that. And yeah, we're hoping we have a little bit of a repeat on last week's luck and hopefully catch a fish or two here. So yeah, stick with us. It's pretty windy, guys, so hopefully you can hear what's going on. I know you can see the trees over there moving around in the background, but yeah, like I said, hopefully we can get on some fish. We'll seal her up. If you don't have flour, you can use cornstarch. And again, like most of these recipes, you can use whatever seasonings you enjoy. Today we use paprika, garlic powder, pepper. I used a little bit of the Lawry's all-purpose seasoning salt and a little bit of black pepper. I don't know if I mentioned that, but yeah, just shake up everything real good, and you got these nice little coated cubes, which is going to go in the pan. Well, dinner's all done. We had those venison steak bites, which were super good, cooked up over the fire, and then we had them alongside some of the corn ribs and some potatoes with bacon and cheese. Everything was super duper good, delicious dinner. Just cleaning up right now and watching the hockey game, the Dallas-Edmonton game. I guess it's game 5, so we're watching the game out here, and the boys are right now playing catch, and we got a fire going, and yeah, life is good. So like I said, I think we're gonna just let the boys play catch here a little bit and then hunker back down and watch this game, and yeah, just enjoy the night. toys are too funny. Oilers just won the game and the kids are immediately building their fort again. So they're doing that. I'm just chilling here by the fire and we'll hang out for a little bit. I'll let them do their thing for maybe 15 more minutes. And then I'll get them to tone it down just in case they're making too much noise. But good hockey game, full bellies. It's pretty good. Golden brown or incinerated?
Incinerated.